Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a model and why that matters. Smaller local models give privacy while hosted APIs give scale. Once done, collect persona assets, a 2-3 paragraph backstory, sample dialogues, and one avatar image to anchor behavior. Next, prepare your environment. Install Python or Node, store your API key or local model weights, and create a project folder. Make sure to version control the folder, and plan a test prompt set so you can iterate immediately. Now you define how the character thinks and responds by writing a precise system prompt. Include role, constraints, allowed topics, and response style. Then assemble 8 to 12 few-shot examples that demonstrate tone, tempo, and edge cases. After that, implement a prompt pipeline that merges system prompt, dynamic user input, and examples while respecting the model context length. Make sure to test varying prompt orders. Sometimes examples before user input produce more. Finally, deploy a simple web UI or CLI for interactive testing and invite a small group to probe the character. Run focus tests for contradictions, persona drift, and unsafe replies. Log failures. If the character wanders or fails safety checks, adjust the system prompt, add explicit rejection rules, or expand few-shot examples to cover gaps. One troubleshooting tip: when the model hallucinates facts, force refusal patterns, and add grounding prompts that require source citations or admit uncertainty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.